sutures, I mean, like, who recommends sutures, right? You know, sutures associated with needle stick injury. I've had mine. They break, biofilm, increased risk of infection. The CDC use sutureless securement, right? You guys know the concept of pistoning? Have you heard about pistoning? So pistoning is when basically the nurse is changing the dressing, adhesive dressing, the catheter has this motion in and out. Now, we don't like it when catheters come out, but they're not allowed to go in. What do you think's happening when a catheter goes in? It's called pistoning. And this is a friend of mine from Slovenia that sent me this, and it shows what's going on for pistoning. And she's an expert. She's an expert at providing the care and maintenance, but watch that little black, it's out, it's in. Like, this is what goes on. The nurses don't like to change dressings on these things. They're scared they're gonna lose them. But we're scared the stuff's gonna go in and what's going in. Like, the IDs are great for that. They'll tell you, you're not allowed to push a catheter in, but this is what's going on. So the subcutaneous securement device is permanent. Like the adhesive securement you have to change with each dressing change. I don't know if they're really doing that. I'd be surprised. But this thing is permanent and allows 360-degree cleansing